Let's explore 5 reasons why micro-learning is an effective strategy for delivering training experiences during COVID and the future. Micro-learning is the process of learning in small, digestible and manageable chunks, with focused and precise information. We already have a video and blog that details all you need to know about micro-learning. In this video, let's explore why micro-learning is one of the best strategies to deliver learning experiences for your modern audience, and especially during COVID. Reason 1. At home, your learners are getting distracted more frequently. Due to the changed environment, a lot of us are bound to work from home. And, at home, we have several chores to manage in addition to work. Hence, just like us, our learners are bound to get distracted with several chores and family commitments at home. So, keep your new training concise and short like micro-learning. Reason 2, micro-learning is quick to develop and deliver. Micro-learning courses are short in duration. So, they take less time to develop and deliver. In addition, by being homebound, our learners are investing in upskilling. Hence, there is a need to frequently deliver new learning experiences to meet the rise in demand. If we develop traditional courses that are longer than 30 minutes in duration, we will take longer to develop and release them. As a result, we may miss the period where our learners are motivated to learn. Hence, micro-learning helps to develop quick learning experiences while meeting the learning demand. Reason 3, you can achieve immediate goals for such special times. With a lot of our learners working from home, help or collaboration with colleagues can be limited. Hence, some of your customers or learners may need small help or tips and tricks videos, or articles, to troubleshoot common issues related to software applications, or processes they follow. So, with micro-learning, your customers or learners can get the required just-in-time help, and resolve immediate challenges by themselves. Reason 4, can be more mobile-friendly. Micro-learning is typically delivered in the form of videos, or short blogs, that learners can experience to learn. Both these platforms are mobile-friendly and hence can support learning while a learner cooks, cleans, or helps kids with homework at home. Reason 5, support the existing formal or lengthy training. While we all need to frequently update the existing courses and curriculums that we manage, it is not feasible to update them each week or month. Hence, if we need to teach something new as an add-on learning to existing courses, consider releasing the add-on course as a micro-learning module. This can help you achieve your learning goal or business need, while avoiding the need to update a large curriculum or course. We hope these tips were helpful to plan your learning strategies. Stay tuned for more tips to learn instructional design and learning trends from Check and Click. If you are looking to start your instructional design career, consider enrolling for our instructional design course on Udemy, with the link in the video description.